Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest reviews and recommendations on products that can transform your life. Today, we have something special for our CA student viewers. A book that's not just a game changer but a life changer. It's called Can't Hurt Me, Master Your Mind and Defy the Odds by David Goggins. CA students, we know the journey to becoming a chartered accountant is tough. You face challenges, long hours of study, and immense pressure. That's why we're excited to introduce you to a book that will empower you to overcome obstacles and excel in your CA journey. Now, let's delve into some key takeaways from this remarkable book. David Goggins' life story is nothing short of extraordinary. From a troubled childhood filled with adversity to becoming a Navy SEAL, Army Ranger, and an elite endurance athlete, his journey will inspire you to push beyond your limits. Goggins teaches us that the mind is the most powerful tool we possess. He shares his 40% rule, which challenges us to tap into our hidden potential by pushing past our perceived limits. This mindset can be a game changer for CA students facing daunting exams. When the going gets tough, Goggins suggests reaching into your mental cookie jar. This method involves recalling past achievements and moments of triumph to bolster your confidence and keep you going during challenging times. Learn how to visualize your goals and dreams just as Goggins visualized becoming a Navy SEAL. Visualization is a powerful tool for staying motivated and focused on your CA aspirations. Goggins' dedication to helping others is commendable. He runs marathons to raise funds for wounded warriors' families. As CA students, you can draw inspiration from his commitment to giving back to the community. In conclusion, Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins is a must-read for CA students who want to excel in their studies, overcome challenges, and reach their full potential. It's not just a book, it's a blueprint for success. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more life-changing product recommendations. Stay motivated, CA students, and remember, you can't hurt the person who refuses to give up.